Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize Quick Launch into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down here and find Advanced Features, this one. Then here I need to go into Side key, and now you can customize your Quick Launch. So first option, it's double press the power key, and here you can quick launch camera or open up and choose your application for opening from the list. Click back, and second option, it's press and hold the power key. And here there's two options, wake Bixby or power off menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.